Welcome to Community ArtsKitchen. Expressing your feelings through art. Together We're Better, a 3D table or window display, is an activity that came to me when I was supposed to be doing something else. That seems to happen a lot these past few weeks. While working, this pattern emerged. It sort of looks like a flower or marks on a compass. What does it look like to you? Does it remind you of anything? Some other questions came to mind while I was drawing. Can art bring us together? Is it just a dodge to think that art can bring us together? Can art represent togetherness? What do you think? When you're making art, do questions ever come up about yourself or your family? Can you be a better person for your school or community? If so, how? Can art be used as a tool to express feelings and emotions? What do you think? Thanks for watching. Community ArtsKitchen was created and developed by Barbara Libby Steinman and Anna Rochester. See you next time.